So, welcome back to Red Rivals.
Our road to quality content begins today.
Yeah, and this is sort of a topic which we have addressed before.
नहीं नहीं नहीं
Somewhat, yeah,
नहीं
come
यार
on.
नहीं नहीं नहीं
It's the same thing.
It's not.
Essentially तो है ना?
नहीं नहीं
है.
I don't think so, but like okay.
So we're going to be like discussing about the top 5 most watched players according to us.
Yeah,
अब
and
इसमें
like
बहुत factors हैं.
common निकाल के like top 5 करेंगे. हमने हमारी अलग से list बनाई, so we don't know. Although I can predict his names. It's probably like Robertson's in there, so
Yeah, I mean obviously he should be.
okay.
If he's not in your
Okay.
list, then that's just like bias.
Yeah, I am biased.
So okay, what is your? अच्छा तूने 7 लिखे हैं ना?
हाँ, so I'll just give my honorable mentions. Although like I'm very like like sort of on the edge for the 7th. Because he could potentially be in my top 5. But like, is he washed or is he just ass from the beginning? Is the like what I feel. So my number 7 is Andre Onana.
No, but
Is he washed or is he just ass? Like वही बात है. Was he ever that good when he came to United? Like ऐसा like वैसे बोल रहा हूँ like.
No, but at Inter he was.
But
There's
maybe वो Inter का defense की वजह से हो. Like you know what I mean.
No, but like
Inter
we
का
all,
defense like is.
it is good. लेकिन मतलब हमने देखा था ना like UCL final and all. He was good यार मतलब like
But
literally
क्या
वो
हो गया यार,
CDM
like-
खेल रहा था.
क्या?
But like, see why I don't agree with this take is he washed is someone who does not have hopes of making a comeback. He could switch clubs and he's still what young only.
हाँ. इसलिए मेरे
So-
honorable mention में. इसलिए
हाँ.
that's why I'm debatable कि like he I also rated him really high, but I mean 3 साल at United can take a big toll on you.
हाँ.
Speaking of United, my number 6, another United player and the last United player,
Okay.
Rasmus Højlund.
Like
अटलांटा में भी मैं उसको उतना रेट नहीं करता था cause चार्ल्स डिकेटलर करके एक स्ट्राइकर अगर तूने सुना होगा तो AC मिलान से लोन पे गया
लंबा ट्विंक.
हाँ उसने भी अटलांटा में like 12-13 गोल मारे थे and he isn't anything to write home about, so that's why I'm like he's washed. I don't think like नहीं भाई like
No, but like what you're saying is that he's just bad. Like not मतलब
हाँ
वही ना कि
I
he
mean,
just
हाँ,
was
but
not that guy ever.
इसलिए like ये मैं बहुत like क्या बोलते हैं, but isn't that the thing with United like
क्या?
कि like are they actually washed or are they just ass, like वैसा ही सवाल है मेरा. Like Zirkzee
No,
को
I mean-
like Zirkzee, I'm not gonna shit on Zirkzee, I like Zirkzee, so like let's not bring him in.
हाँ.
But like Anthony भी वैसे ही like is he washed, but like no he is not.
Yeah,
but
he's not.
अगर ये वीडियो like जनवरी में बन रही होती अपनी तो he would have been there, like समझ रहा है क्योंकि Ajax में he was really good.
Yeah, but
तो
that
मतलब
is
वही
why
बात, that is why he's not like they are not in my top 5. I like
Yeah.
they're just honorable mentions because like sparking a debate is what I wanted to do.
okay.
So number 5. Let's go with yours first. and then
Mine
I'll
is
say
a
mine.
very basic pick. It's KDB.
Okay, mine is Phil Foden.
Oh, no. How? That is just your hate speaking, bhai. Like, do you believe Phil Foden will never have a comeback? I do think he'll have a good season next season only.
I think
Like, bhai, like
नहीं,
he's
actually
too young to be called
नहीं
washed.
ठीक है. He's 25 by the way.
हाँ,
Just
that
so you
is
know.
still very young.
Okay, but
25
अगले
या
साल
24 है?
25. अगले साल सिटी में by the way Ryan Cherky है.
हाँ.
And if Foden does not pick his place on the right wing, I think he could be in for trouble. That is all I'm gonna say.
Yeah, ठीक है. His position is in jeopardy
हाँ.
a little bit.
And अगर वो नहीं कर पाया तो it is safe to say कि he is washed. Or is Ryan Cherky that good? Like come on, he could find a place there. Like if a player like Jack Grealish can, then Foden also can.
But like वही है कि what we saw from Foden उसके basis पे like I'd give him at least 2 more seasons to call him washed.
I mean fair, ठीक है.
If he scores 0 goals for the next 2 seasons, फिर
अभी
I'd
0
think
बहुत
about
ज्यादा हो गया.
it. Like, but like he was the player of the season.
If he scores less than 10 all comps for
What,
the next
next
2
season?
seasons, yeah,
हाँ.
then he is washed.
Yeah.
Because come on, like Man City में any decent
Right,
winger
right.
would get like
Yeah.
ठीक है नहीं, let's just okay ठीक है.
हाँ, it's
we'll
fine,
ball.
it's fine, it's fine.
मौसम अच्छा है.
Okay.
Okay, so for like KDB, okay ठीक है, then I guess it's KDB क्योंकि KDB मेरे लिस्ट में तो नहीं है.
हाँ.
तो like ठीक है, agreeable, like
Yeah.
कुछ कहने को नहीं है. Cause he just became old and like I guess uske legs gave out.
Yeah.
Is what I'd say.
But what I मतलब मैंने क्यों लिया is क्योंकि he still like at Napoli तो like top level
कर
है.
सकता है.
नहीं मतलब
he can run it back. He can
हाँ.
run it back at Napoli. क्योंकि if Scott McTominay can do it, I think a one-legged KDB can do it.
Respect भाई, like ऐसे
नहीं,
मत
नहीं,
बोल. Scott MVP ठीक है.
वही Serie A
Chill.
player of the year. भाई that's
Calm
crazy.
down. Okay, number 4 क्या है तेरा?
Lukaku.
Okay, fair. अब मेरा थोड़ा मतलब it is Jadon Sancho. I don't think he'll ever be good again. Like truly, in my heart, I don't believe that he'll ever be good. कहाँ prosper करेगा वो यार? There's no space for that. Like dribbling slow winger
यार
now.
but he is so young.
हाँ I know, but
He is younger than Foden. यार like
अब I think वो
I refuse. Like भाई, I genuinely loved him so much. कि I refuse to believe he is washed. Like even though नहीं यार नहीं, he can't be washed. Like he can't. नहीं.
अब
Like
this is the first stage like denial.
पिछले सीजन उसका ठीक था.
ठीक नहीं था, ठीक नहीं था. He had his moments.
हाँ but like ठीक है ना.
But like
if a club
Garnacho also had मतलब ऐसा मतलब like एक गोल मारा, एक assist दिया. ठीक है.
Conference League final conference क्या है? UEFA Conference League final goal by the way. A banger to say the least against Real Betis, who drew against Barcelona and Real Madrid after Antony joined.
ठीक है मतलब good, that's a good क्या बोलते हैं केस अच्छा बनाया. बट लाइक द 30 games बिफोर दैट कुछ नहीं. एक स्पर्स वाले गेम में अच्छा था, एक ड्रिबल अच्छा था जो कल हम देख रहे थे.
हाँ.
मतलब बहुत हैंडफुल है यार उसके परफॉर्मेंसेस.
Okay, so speaking of handful, what about Lukaku भाई?
Lukaku is washed.
So he is number 4 undebated, like not up for debate.
Yeah.
Okay, so your number 3. I think
number 3 is
अपने top 3 काफी similar हो सकते
सिमिलर होंगे unless तूने like बहुत ही
नहीं
ऐसा चला गया.
नहीं.
मेरा कैसेमीरो है.
Oh, Casemiro.
हाँ.
Okay, I went for Kyle Walker.
Oh. But my case is Casemiro is still at United और वो अभी भी खेलेगा like 20 games. अब बारिश में
मैं अभी ठीक है यार कोई
तो like अब मतलब एक वो होता है ना
पोछा मार देंगे.
एक
हाँ.
ट्राई हार्ड का लेवल होता है तो like he is like मतलब trying hard and Amorim भी खिलाएगा.
The game's gone. The game's
But
gone.
see,
The
but-
game's gone. The game's gone.
Game is gone.
The
But
football has left him. The game is gone, I think.
but the point is this, जैसे लियोन वाला था comeback.
Okay.
Like you give him 20 minutes. मतलब वो वैसा प्लेयर हो गया है.
Okay, अब
कि like-
अब बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है.
हाँ बंद कर दे. हाँ like उसको तुम 15-20 मिनट में कुछ करने के लिए ला सकते हो. That is all that he मतलब I wouldn't start him against like a
हाँ.
अब तो
Against any prem club.
हाँ basically
हाँ. But
बहुत
for
easily outrun होता है यार. Like,
वो भाई मैं भागलू से तेज यार like वॉकर पे
दिखाइए जरा अपना.
कुछ नहीं है भाई सब सही
ACL
है
है.
सब
हाँ.
सही है. टोज नहीं दिखाऊंगा मैं अपने क्रॉप कर रही ठीक है ब्लर.
Yeah. Japanese blur.
सारे ब्लर सेम ही होते हैं बट ओके. माय केस इज काइल वॉकर. लाइक जस्ट काइल देख लो भाई लाइक
ठीक है.
एसी मिलान गया वो.
Hmm.
Did he have like apart from the moment in which he shouted at Joao Felix
Yeah, कि like
like
you're not
we are
Messi.
not Messi उसके अलावा there is nothing he did in the last 6 months apart from like cheat on his wife obviously.
True. और also like there was a time जब like कोई बीट नहीं करता था वॉकर को. Like it used to be exciting.
after that
और अब
Madrid
वो-
Man City game
अब वो-
जिसमें Vinicius Junior ने खत्म किया था.
हाँ. और even नहीं
उसके बाद लुइस डियाज वाला था.
उसके बाद ही था.
तो like उस दिन से like Kyle Walker has never been the same.
But like for a good like 5, 6, 7 years ऐसा मतलब exciting होता था कि like भाई आज एम्बापे
match
खेलेगा
up है.
तो like we'll see कि वॉकर will get beaten. अब उसको ट्रेनिंग में बीट होते हुए देख रहे हो.
में हैनिबल कर रहा है भाई.
मतलब
like
it is
यूनाइटेड
sad.
के लिए वो अच्छा नहीं था and वो बंदा बीट कर रहा है.
It is sad.
And he went to Burnley.
Yeah.
But we believe कि he is the best defender at Burnley regardless क्योंकि वो पेस पे नहीं होगा but like defensively है वो अभी भी ठीक.
हाँ,
like
I
जो
mean-
उसके offensive capabilities थे like the running up and forth like वो सब अभी नहीं होगा obviously.
हाँ.
But again Burnley doesn't do that so.
Okay. My number 2 is Andy Robertson. क्या?
Okay, mine is Marc-Andre Ter Stegen.
See, My case for Robertson would be, अब देख दोनों similar उसमें है कि like इनके replacement आ गए, fans are excited about their replacements, और like they're still in the team though. अब जैसे करकेस आ गया तो like come on, like कोई लिवरपूल फैन ये थोड़ी बोलेगा रॉबर्टसन को खिलाओ.
But I'll just say one thing. I'll just say two things, not one. One is for like Ter Stegen के case में. He was so ass. He is so ass that Flick had to call Wojciech Szczesny out from retirement. And for the case of Robertson, he may be washed, but he still has a place in the team as a leader. And second thing up कि अगर हमको 3 at the back में switch करना है तो I think Robertson starts. Like starts नहीं, like अगर 3 at the back में change किया, like कर्केस को बिठा के I think Robertson comes in because of his sheer experience. But Ter Stegen does not have a place in Barcelona. That is all I'm gonna say. Like वो नया जो कौन सा कीपर खरीदा उन्होंने वो स्पेनियोल से जो भी है, like I don't know his name, but he may be the number one.
Wait, खरीदा है?
हाँ.
Wait, like पेनिया और शेज़नी नहीं है, like एक और
पेनिया नहीं है, पेनिया नहीं है. Szczesny है number one, and then they signed another player from Espanyol, and who is like statistically the best keeper at La Liga after Courtois.
Okay.
So like Ter Stegen has no place in the team unless the 3 keepers ahead of him get injured. That's all I'm gonna say. And he has been getting washed, I don't know, since like 6 years now. Like bhai,
6.
like big games में रॉबर्टसन ने कुछ ऐसा like क्या बोलते हैं, for the lack of a better term, like fuck up नहीं किया रॉबर्टसन ने कोई big game में. But Ter Stegen के footprints हर एक like major loss में होते हैं बार्सिलोना के लिए तो.
But like वही ना, मतलब he's a keeper तो like ज़्यादा highlight हो रहा है. अब like
I mean,
it's
but
not
to be fair, to be fair, I think January or Feb में Robertson gave like 2 own goals in like 2 matches. हाँ. Yeah, like 2 lethal mistakes. See, this is okay. I can get behind Robertson being washed. मैंने like मेरे ध्यान में नहीं था, but I agree he is washed. That's why we signed Kirkes, obviously. But he still has a place in the team. Like he's washed as a left back, not as a footballer. That's all I'm gonna say. Like
ठीक है, Ter Stegen takes that.
Number 1
मेरा वॉकर था.
Oh, हाँ. मेरा Raheem Sterling. This has to be unanimously the most washed player. Like, nah, bhai. We have talked about him. That this is the only player we've talked about before, like in that video, like top 5 field potential में.
But यार somewhere एक वो
he's still at Arsenal, mate. He's at Arsenal.
What if he like signed for कोई छोटा club and like
isn't that the same? Isn't that the same like Saudi argument? Like Mane is finished, but like if he were to play for Southampton, he'd still get like 10 goals. No,
but in that sense, so we can't mention Walker ना. मतलब you are still trying. You're in the Premier League. That's the मतलब ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि like Saudi से उसको ऑफर नहीं आएंगे. तो like by consent ही तो रहेगा इधर.
I mean ठीक है, but like Sterling से नहीं होगा यार, अभी मेरे को नहीं लगता. हाँ यार. तेरे पास कोई नंबर 1 के लिए है? उससे ज्यादा वॉश्ड प्लेयर कोई है क्या तेरे पास? उससे ज्यादा वॉश्ड, like even Casemiro also had a good game. Like Casemiro ने भी लियोन में like comeback generate किया था, जो भी है. पिछले 2 साल या 3 साल में, apart from that free kick which he scored against I don't
Newcastle, I think. शायद.
Apart from that free kick, what has he done? And he is 30, or he will turn 30 in 2025.
Yeah, I think his age is the factor.
Washing
like,
factor. Like,
yeah, कि like मतलब he has 3-4 years, but like you just know he won't.
It is very sad because
sad तो like,
बहुत ज्यादा है.
क्या था भाई वो एक टाइम पे. अरे
52 goal assist in 2018-19, 2019 by the way, the entire year. Second to Messi.
Yeah. मैं ना वो देख रहा था like सिटी ने KDB के फेयरवेल पे एक वीडियो डाला था like all of KDB's assists. So like for a good 5 years बस रहीम स्टर्लिंग फिनिश कर रहा है. like
मेरे को एक असिस्ट एवरी KDB ने ऐसी डायरेक्ट क्रॉस दिया था, स्टर्लिंग ने वॉली पे मारी थी बॉटम कॉर्नर.
नहीं like ही मतलब बहुत क्लिनिकल था भाई वो, लेकिन इतना अंडररेटेड फिनिशर था वो.
मतलब चीक्स भाई, चीक्स. पहले वो गेम में चीक्स यूज करता था, अब वो चीक्स बन गया है
भाई. और लाइक ब्रेड्स कर लिया यार.
कम ऑन, दिस इज टफ भाई. केंड्रिक लमार कॉस्प्ले करते रहते हैं भाई वो पूरा टाइम वो
भाई. अच्छा तो क्या हुआ अपना 5?
ओके, सो फॉर 5th I had Foden and you had
KDB.
So KDB takes it. Okay. Number 4 was Lakaka.
And Sancho था मेरा. मतलब सब्जेक्टिव था थोड़ा, ठीक है, लुकाकू भी लाइक अग्री।
Number 3 was Kyle Walker. Since Kyle Walker तेरी लिस्ट में है तो लाइक
तो लाइक ठीक है,
तेरे इसमें कौन था?
कैसेमीरो था।
बट तेरे लिस्ट में नंबर 1 पे है Kyle
हाँ
Walker,
हाँ,
तो लाइक इट टेक्स प्रेसिडेंस इन इट लाइक. एंड नंबर 2 पे Ter Stegen एंड रॉबर्टसन है.
टेस्ट टेकन,
नंबर 1 पे
स्टर्लिंग। सो चेंज करना है कुछ ऑर्डर इसमें?
नहीं. आई मीन वेट, क्या
And
वॉकर
अब
क्या वॉकर और स्टर्लिंग को एक्सचेंज करे?
नहीं नहीं,
सॉरी वॉकर एंड Ter Stegen को.
नो, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ टर स्टेगन का लाइक किस क्लब में जाएगा वो?
There's nobody who wanna sign
Right.
him. Like
And
unless
like
like
Walker-
Mönchengladbach फिर से चले जाए वो.
And like Sterling is still at potential like title contenders Arsenal. Potential obviously.
Title contenders and Arsenal.
Yeah.
Come on, we know it, dog. We know. They even
Should
they
have-
know how much we hate Arsenal. Why we would never say this.
Should have just said contenders or something.
Something contenders,
Right. So
pretenders हैं वो लोग तो. Like
अब तो वो भी आ गया, the obese striker Gyökeres. उसको
B-
भागते हुए देखा?
B-Tech Haaland. Actually, B-Tech Hoyland.
That is too.
But नहीं, like अभी
80
लंबी खींच के
तू
मतलब
तू
नहीं है.
86 सब्सक्राइबर पे हो गया, रेज बेट नहीं कर सकता
लंबी-
भाई, like
लंबी खींच के मतलब नहीं है वीडियो. Just
हाँ.
saying.
yeah, so
This is the list.
tell us if you agree.
And अपनी लिस्ट भी कमेंट करो. But honorable mention for the most watched footballer.
Me.
Me. me.
हाँ.
Like
ना it is you. मैं अभी इंजर नहीं हूँ कम से कम.
हाँ भाई. But like is it like मेरा रॉड्री वाला सिचुएशन है ना, but like थोड़ा. Can we say the most watched footballer's name though? In our team.
No, we can't.
In our team.
No, we can't.
Someone
Come
who.
on, bro. Okay, so this is where the end of the video.
Yes. Okay. Bye.